Observe the below example. Many students solve like this, but this method is completely wrong. Today, let us understand the correct approach. Please follow the below rules so that you do not make any mistakes. Example 1, 76 divided by 7. Let us apply rule 1. Take the same number of digits from the left of the dividend as the divisor has. In this case, the divisor has only one digit. So, consider only one digit from the left of the dividend. In this case, consider 7. Observe the number considered 7 is equal to the divisor 7. If the number greater than or equal to divisor, then divide. 7 ones are 7, so you will get 0 as the remainder. Now, rule 1 is completed. In this case, rule 2 is not applicable because 76 is not a decimal. Let us apply rule 3. Bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, bring down 6. Observe, now the number is 6, which is less than the divisor 7. Now, let us apply rule 4. If the number less than divisor, write 0 in the quotient. Then multiply divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. In this case, 7 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So, you will get 6 as the remainder and 10 as the quotient. Observe, in basic mathematics, you can say the division is complete because no more digits on the dividend are left to divide. And this is the correct approach. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of long division and divisibility rules, please subscribe and watch the complete playlist.